Hi, my name's Tony. I have a question for you. Are you one of those people that avoid making the tough decisions in business? If so, let's actually look at that. Let's actually see if we can help you to understand what it is that you find so difficult to make a decision about. As a business owner, it took me quite some time for myself to be able to understand that business is business and personal stuff is personal stuff. I needed to be able to get to a point where I understood that decisions that I was making were beneficial to the business, and if I didn't make them, they were going to be detrimental to the business and have a massive impact on the performance of the business. So it was key that I understood that it was my responsibility to make the decisions and make the best decisions for the business, because there are things within business that we need to decide and make decisions on. Some of them are good and some of them are not so good. The not so good ones are the ones that we tend to avoid. We tend to not deal with that stuff as effectively as we should. So what I want you to have a look at is a quick snapshot now of where your business is at, because in the back of your mind, in the back of your head, you're already thinking these thoughts. You know what decisions you need to make, but for some reason you're avoiding them, either due to fear or pain or some other associated issue. That's the reason you're not doing it. Well, let me tell you, it's going to be a long suffering for you if you don't decide to make the decision and get on with it, because these are the things that are going to drain your business. These are the things that are going to pull you back and stop you from achieving what it is that you are ultimately trying to work towards. Be it that you need to lose a staff member, be it that you need to let some equipment go, be it that you need to change things up. These are things that you need to make decisions on and make them fast, make them quick, and actually get on with them as quickly as you possibly can. If you've enjoyed this content and want more, sign up or subscribe to our YouTube channel about our business growth programs, or put some comments in down below and let's start a conversation. Thank you.